up. Me a go hard and my son them a creep up. For real a reality, my dream turn young go get a heavy, get a youth hero. No one more want me a start from zero. Now my bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Krisey coming back to you again with another video. If you are an old subscriber, big up yourself for coming back on the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. And we're gonna do a pack with me. I'm going on vacation. Where am I going? You guys will have to like keep watching my channel just to find out. Yeah, I'm kind of stressed out because I got a lot of stuff that I need to pack. Like, I don't want to show you guys my bed because my bed is disgusting right now. It's disgusting. Everything on the bed have to go inside here. So, yeah, you guys are gonna pack with me. Yeah. First off, when you're traveling to the Caribbean, you know what? I just gave it all away. Yeah, I'm going to Jamaica, as per usual. Anywho, when you're traveling to the Caribbean, you want to make sure you pack your essentials. But you know, we Caribbean people, we do the most. If I was supposed to show you everything that I'm packing, this video will probably reach maybe an hour. So I'm only going to discuss what you have to bring, okay? Now, you need bug repellent. This one is my favorite. It's off Deep Woods. This is the only thing that will keep the mosquito away from me. What I do is I buy clear tape. This is like packing tape. And I make sure I wrap the top. Oh, got it. I'm gonna have my scissors. You know what? I don't want to use my teeth, but since I have to make things, yeah. And then I always put this at the bottom. Anything that is in a container, you have to put tape on it. This is my favorite body. What is it called again? Oh, that's it. Body wash. This is my favorite body wash, Olay. This is the only thing that like keeps the skin moisturized and you know them something there, and it smells nice. So I'm just gonna wrap this. The reason why I always tape my items because I had experiences before when I used to go to vacation and lotion dash away, mosquito spray all over the clothes. So that's not gonna happen, okay? Since we're in a pandemic, I always carry disinfectant. Always. So these will go at the bottom, kind of spread out like this. The next thing I'm gonna pack are my jeans. I'm taking, it's a short trip, but maybe, honestly, I wear outfits. Like, maybe I might pack 2 jeans and 1 jean shorts, or maybe 1 jean, or you know, I don't know. But for the sake of the video, so pack my jeans. Now, since jeans are heavy, I always like trying to fold it small as possibly I can. And I always pack it at the bottom. So I'll fold it like this. Usually I fold up all my clothes like this, and I put it at the bottom. My shorts. Well, actually I have shorts. No, I must have shorts down there. That's alright, I'll pack it. And they just go at the bottom because they are heavy. Next thing I'm gonna pack are my shoes. These are my sandals. You know, I had these sandals from the last time I traveled, but I haven't even worn them. They're cute. Like, look at the square. They're cute. They're from Spring. I always pack these at the bottom. So I put them together like this and go like that. Now, if you don't want to lose the shape, because you know how like sometimes with shoes you'll lose the shape, you can simply just like put a clothing, since this is going, you can stuff a clothing in it like this, you know, and you can just put it at the side like that. Yeah, but for the sake of time for the video, I'm just gonna put it like that. Now everything, all my clothing is just gonna be basically folded up small, and yeah, I just put them inside. Woo, my bathing suit. Lord, three piece. What I love about Shein is most of their clothing just comes in the bags. Mind you, I already washed these. So, I'm just gonna fold them back into the bag as neatly as possible, and then I can just place them at the bottom.
Ooh. I look like an Eskimo. I look like a bougie Eskimo. Oh my gosh. Look at the snow. Why did I choose this time to go do my eyebrows? But you know what? My eyebrows is gonna look nice. Yeah. My eyebrows will look nice. I'm gonna manifest this. So it will all be worth it. The pictures and videos will all be worth it. And that's on what? Period. Per. Yeah, this is nice. How often do people come for a tint and wax?
Minimum I'd say minimum 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks?
Minimum.
Oh wow.
Yeah, most people like every month.
Every month?
Yeah, it depends. It depends.
Damn.
I have a client that comes every month for her brows and lashes.
Oh, she's serious.
Yeah. And now she's like, oh, I think I want to get ombre because she wants that tint look all the time.
Ooh, they look so good. Thank you. I hope you don't mind being on camera. Sage brows?
I'm glad you like that.
I do. Thank you so much.
I'm honored. Thank you.
Yes, you're in my vlog. You'll see it, okay?
Yes,
You'll see.
yes,
I promise you.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Glad you like that.
Yes. I'm gonna put your info in the description.
Yes. Send me the video when you post it.
I definitely will.
Yes.
She's amazing and she's so humble.
Oh, thank you.
I'm proud of you
Thank
for
you.
everything.
I feel like we've known each other for so long.
I know. That's how I am. I'm a friendly person
Yes, I love
when
it.
I'm ready. But now that I basically told you my business, we're friends now.
Yes, of course.
Let me pay you before we're not friends. Say hi, mommy. It's going on YouTube. Yep. Your face is covered, so. Hi, Kristen. Oh. So yeah, we're at Pearson Airport. I'm already checked in, but my mom isn't. She's having technical issues. So yeah, now we're waiting in a line. Yeah. So I will turn on the camera when I'm at the gate.
The local time is 7 o'clock p.m.
Welcome home.
Long.
Yeah.
Some of us, when we reach here, some of us go over this and go park.
Jump, so